Well, it's Sunday morning and I'm in Carburn Park, and as soon as I turned into the gate, there's deer standing right on the road. They were there. It was like 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm guessing they're not afraid of people here. And this is my new bike. Well, new to me. So assembled it. So this is where it you have to flip the frame, right, and then you secure it like this. Like all these quick, I like these quick release levers. So pretty easy to secure everything. Let me just tuck the bottom of my pants into my socks so that I don't so yeah, very nice bike. I don't know how many gears it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, just 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6. And there's only one sprocket on the front, but it has this little spring in here, you know, should make it more comfortable. So I have my camera. Let's see how it rides. And we have a gear shifter over here. And that's my Hellcat. Alright, we'll be back. Still a bit chilly. So I just needed a bike so that, you know, I can cover more ground. Brakes. Now here's people. There's a clear sign that says no parking, and there's a full parking lot. Like there's only my car and that pickup truck. And they park right like this. Actually, the brakes are not working very well. Actually, they do work. Yeah, in winter, I was here in winter, and this is all covered in ice. There's a woodpecker there somewhere. And so yeah, they use this area for ice skating. in winter. So I saw deer, I saw some ducks. So the sunrise today was at 6:12 a.m. Yeah, the water is very, very calm. But I'm glad I brought my gloves with me, because I thought it would be a bit chilly near the water, because it's gonna be very warm later today. But for now I think it's like +3. 35, 36 F. There's a good spot here somewhere. Yeah, near the river. Very nice park. Quiet. And you see deer right away. This is the spot. There's always something happening there in the middle. I saw a couple of times I saw eagles here. Yeah, there's a small island over there. Lots of seagulls. I don't see any big birds. Yeah, this is a good area here for spotting something, but So now that I have a bike, I can go much further, because this little bike trail goes pretty far along the river. Okay, I see some cormorants. Morning. And trees on the other side. That's where I saw an eagle there sitting. Okay, what do we have there? Yeah, there's a couple of big birds over there. I think these are just... yeah, these are those... what they call them, you know, those diving birds. They can go fully underwater. Yeah, this was definitely a good idea, you know, a bike, and I have a camera on my back in a case with a 500mm lens, so this is good. All right, where's the eagle in residence? Yeah, there's quite a few spots here for that birds like, you know, like all these little islands. Well, for now, all I've seen are eagles and ducks. So beautiful, free energy. Of course, on the way back I'll have to pedal, but if I was walking I would not have this. I think last time when I was walking I just reached, there's a bridge in there, and this trail goes under the bridge and it continues on the other side, and the gears shift fine. Just I have some minor issue with the brakes. Either they're worn out or something, I don't know. Yeah, there's always lots of ducks here. So I wanted to get up at like 5 o'clock, but the sunrise was at 6:12, and I didn't want to drive in the dark, you know. So I got up at 5 to 6, and this park is 30 clicks away from my home. So I just went on the bypass 201. And I was here 20 minutes later. Oh, more deer. They're standing right there next to the fence. One, two, three, four. 4 of them. Let's see, these ones are afraid of people. They're right on the other side of the bush here. And they're looking at me. I don't have any food. I'm guessing that's what you're waiting for? I think, yeah, people just feed them over here. So, like, look at this guy. What's your name? You live here? Okay, more ducks. No eagles. Okay, let's go to the bridge. See what's happening there. And it's funny, I don't remember last time when I rode a bike. It's been a while. Oh, another deer here. Yeah, they're waiting for you over there. What are you doing here? Go this way. Oh, another one. Wow. Yeah, this is where I turned around when I was on my feet. I turned around here, but this trail goes much further. See people with boats on the other side, unloading boats. And this is, of course, is the Bow River. Downtown is to my left over there. I see a guy fishing, fly fishing. I thought I'll be going along the river, but no, the trail turns here. I'm not sure I want to go this way. A steep hill. Okay, so we're just making a loop. So yeah, I don't want to go there. So I thought, you know, it's my first time here, so past that bridge. So I thought I was going along the river, but yeah, there is a path, but it's like not a real. This is no biking, no swimming. I see, looks like a heron. Maybe it's just a duck. But it's pretty far. I still have hope of catching the eagle, but or ospreys can be possible, right? Or as they call them, fish eagles. I don't think I ever was lucky to get a osprey or owl. Still trying to get an owl, but it's not gonna be here. Yeah, there's not much grass left for them. That guy is getting really close to the water. And the current here is pretty strong. Yeah, this bike is okay. I'll just probably need to take it to a mechanic, adjust the brakes a little bit. And it has a slight extra free play on the rear wheel. But gears shift pretty well. That's why one of the reasons what I like about Calgary is that they really took good care of, you know, residents by creating all these parks. There's so much, you know, nature that you can see. Not driving too far, you know. Well, in my case it's like 30 clicks, not exactly around the corner, but there's all these bike paths are everywhere. And most of them are paved. Oh wow, what is that? I didn't even open my camera because I wasn't that much interested in the deer. I saw them here before and I took shots. It's okay, some other time. Not every time you get to see the wildlife, but this was more of a test for my bike that I just bought yesterday from the guy in Chestermere. Found it on Facebook Marketplace. It was he wanted 325 bucks. I said, how about 300? And he said, that's fair. Yeah, this is where they do ice skating. I still remember I saw the ice cleaning machine here a few months ago. It was just going around clearing a path for skaters. This all gets frozen because of course this is Alberta, and so winters can be pretty brutal, which is good news for skaters and skiers. And I think that's it. That gives you an idea what bike ride along the Bow River in Carburn Park looks like. And we'll pick this up. Maybe I'll turn this into a series or something. And if I go to another park to do some biking, I'll bring you along. How's that? The only thing is this seat is not very comfortable. It does have springs. Actually, no springs underneath. Okay, just want to show you how this thing disassembles. basically my car, it just slightly sticks out because of this. I just have to, I don't have this wrench, but if I could push it in. So right now I have to have my rear left seat to be slightly open, otherwise it's all because of this. So the plan today is to stop by Canadian Tire and get some bike wrenches so that I can collapse that steering column. All right, is that, yeah, the deer is gone. And now when I came, right, there was only 2 vehicles, the pickup truck and me. So now this park is definitely popular. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Ciao.